Good morning, students. So in this video we are going to know about the chapter that is Dinner by Moonlight. Three friends, Rusty, Pithambar and Poppet, are trekking on their way to Witch Mountain, a peak in the Cuman Hills close to Chakrata. They are spending the night at the forest rest house, being attended by the caretaker, a one-eyed man who introduced himself as Kale Topi or Black Hat. Black Hat lit a wonderful bonfire that night. So here students, three friends that you can see in the picture. These are the three friends, that is Rusty, Pithambar and Poppet. They are trekking on the way to the Witch Mountain and a peak in the Cuman Hills which is close to the place of Chakrata. They are spending the night at the forest. So they are trekking and now they are in the Witch Mountain and they're spending their night in the forest itself. Forest rest house they're having. So there they are spending. Being attended by the caretaker. So you can see this is the person who will take care for three people. That is, the three people don't know the place because that is new to them. So they want some guidance, right? So this person is a caretaker, takes care about them. And this person is that is one-eyed man who introduced himself. So he has only one eye. So he introduced himself the name, that is, his name is Kale Topi or a Black Hat. So the caretaker name is Kale Topi or a Black Hat. Black Hat lit a wonderful bonfire that night. So the Black Hat, that is Kale Topi, lit a wonderful bonfire. You can see the fire they have put that night. Fallen oak leaves, pine cones and branches that had fallen during the heavy winter snow all combined to make a crackling fire. The flames leapt up, casting an orange glow on the faces of the boys' black hats. Demonic countenance was given an uneven glow, more devilish tinged by the flickering firelight. Eager to keep the fire going, he almost set fire to his beard. So what here they are telling is fallen oak leaves. So in the winter time there were heavy snow. In winter time there were very snow. So that time the leaves had fallen down, no? So that they have all combined to make a crackling fire. So for putting a fire, they all combined the dry leaves which is fallen in the winter time. The flames leapt up, casting an orange flame. So you can see the fire which is in orange color. Demonic means evil spirit, and countenance is, it's a face expression, was given uneven, more delicious sting by the flickering firelight. Eager to keep the fire going, the almost set fire to his beard. Why don't you remove your hat? Asked Rusty. So in this three friends are there, one said the Rusty with the boy, he said to the Kale Topi that why don't you remove your hat? He's wearing a hat, right? So Rusty is asking, why don't you remove your hat? The hat won't like it, said its wearer. So here it's telling, Kale Topi is telling that the hat won't like it, said its, and it feels safe upon my head. So Kale Topi is telling that when I wear the hat, so hat is feeling very safe on my head only, so I won't remove. I feel safe beneath it. Rain or snow, outdoors or bed, this hat remains upon my head. Is telling that even rain also come or snow comes also, I won't remove my hat. It will remains upon my head only. Who is telling that? The Kale Topi. The boys clapped. They had to admire their host's loyalty to his hat, and they had to admit it seemed to suit him, adding distinction to his scar and one eye. So here what they are telling students. So the boys, when he told that I won't be remove my cap, it will be safe upon my head only. So the boys, all three boys were clapped for it. and they had to admire the host's loyalty to his hat. And distinction, the meaning of distinction is improvement. So it's an importance. So adding important to his car and one eye. So distinction is a importance. Tell us your name, asked Poppet. So Rusty asked about the hat. Now Poppet is asking, tell us your name. So Kale Topi is my name. I need no further claim to fame. So he's telling that Kale Topi is my name and there is no further claim to fame. We will call you Topi for short, said Rusty. But tell us how long you have been wearing it. So he's asking, the Rusty is asking that your name is Kale Topi, right? So we will be calling you in the short name, that is Topi, said Rusty. So I want to know how long you are wearing this cap, that is hat. How long you are wearing this hat? You tell the story about it. So only 30 years, about half of my life. He's telling that only 30 years, from the past 30 years I'm wearing it. So, and half of my life, so half of his life, whose life, Kale Topi's life, is wearing a